Hello and welcome to our series of GoLang tutorials. Today we are going to conclude the module section of our GoLang series. These are the last two documentation. I will be adding it in the descriptions. You can go through this documentation. However, this two documentation majorly consist of the same things that we have discussed earlier. So please go through these module sections if you haven't, and then we'll start learning GoLang and apply our module knowledge to our later course. So these documentation are developing and publishing modules that discuss the workflow for publishing modules, design and development. These are majorly focused on the same things that we have discussed, just some additions to it. And secondly, module release and versioning workflow. That's also we have majorly discussed, but in order to understand it thoroughly, you can go through this documentation attached in description. Thanks for watching. Please like and comment your queries in the section below. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe Tech World with G. Thank you.